The simulator graphical decision support is a complementary module to the simulator prioritization decision support module. This module automatically generates presentation quality graphics that sharply illustrate all of the conclusions and prioritize and optimize results already displayed in the simulator prioritization decision support module. Acuitas decision support best practice is for you to leverage the simulator graphical decision support module after first reviewing the prioritization decision support module results. This allows you to use this graphical module with a focus of gaining a graphical perspective of the key conclusions already revealed from a review of the simulator prioritization decision support module. This best practice process can help you decide if you want to run an additional what-if simulation to further refine your decisions about the project and which specific metrics to target in the next set of iterations. The upcoming video demonstrates how the Acuitas Simulator Graphical Decision Support module uses auto-generation of graphics and intelligent tables to help you more quickly and effectively refine your project decision-making. This is the simulator navigation cockpit from which you can reach all of the modules of the solution. Clicking on the Simulation Analysis Results Generator navigation button immediately takes you to the Simulator Graphical Decision Support homepage. This is the Simulator Graphical Decision Support homepage, where all of the graphical and filtered and intelligent tables for the key performance indicators are generated for the project under review. The Simulator Graphical Decision Support table controls the over 30 different graphical and tabular displays that are possible, and simply by clicking on the Run button next to the key performance indicators selected for review, this instantly generates the desired results. In this example, we choose to review from the balance sheet the percent difference and the difference between the projected results for the investment case and the base case before investment. The application instantly is going to generate three outputs. The first one that we see at the top is the Simulator Decision Support Filter table, and it shows all of the metrics and the values used in the graphical output. Second, scroll down a little so that it's in the middle of the screen, the Simulator Decision Support Interpretation table that contains the explanation of the graphics and how to interpret the results. And then we see the charts, the Simulator Decision Support charts that show the results. In the case of the balance sheet, on the left-hand side of the screen, the financial metrics as measured in millions of dollars, as we see here, are displayed in descending order of the incremental value to each metric as the result of the investment, the projected numbers, which is the accelerator numbers. The chart also shows automatically the target value for each balance sheet financial metric on the top of the line representing the projected value of the metric. So here, on top of total assets, we see the projected results and we see the target results. The system uses color coding, light red for the target values and light blue for the projected values, to make it easier for you to immediately recognize these different aspects of each key performance indicator. So in interpreting this chart, we see that total assets are projected to increase by $331 million versus a target value of $195 million, whereas current liabilities are projected to grow by only $79 million, and the target for the current liabilities was $46 million. Now let's scroll over to the right hand, and this is going to display a different perspective, because in this particular case what we're seeing the chart displaying is the balance sheet financial metrics in terms of the percent difference between the investment and the base cases. You see, it's in terms of percent. From this perspective, it is clear that the total liabilities are projected to gain the highest percent difference at 10.2% over the base case versus a target of 9.3%. And we also see that current assets are projected to grow by 2.4% versus the target of only 0.6%. And note that the Simulator Graphical Decision Support module also includes charts that focus only on the difference and percent difference between the investment and base cases for each key performance indicator to even further accelerate the value of Acuitas to you. We'll just scroll back to the beginning. We'll go up to the top of the chart. After completing the review of these auto-generated outputs, by scrolling back to the top of the chart, we just click on the refresh button here in order to return the entire screen to its original state. Clicking now on the Simulation Analysis Results Generation button here takes us immediately back to the Simulator Graphical Decision Support homepage and ready to do another one-click generation of desired charts and tables. This again illustrates how easy it is to use the optimization functionality in this application and concludes our brief overview of the Acuitas Simulator Graphical Decision Support application.